Understanding the product development lifecycle is absolutely key to building successful products that resonate with your users. This video is for both new and seasoned product managers looking to sharpen their skills. Our goal today is simple. We're going to break down the core stages of the product development lifecycle, making it easy to understand and apply to your own projects. First up, we have research and ideation. Think of this stage as understanding a problem before you even think about a solution. As a PM, you're basically a detective here. Your job is to uncover the truth. This involves diving deep into industry trends, analyzing your competitors, and, most importantly, talking to your users. Your objectives are to identify user pain points and discover unmet needs that your product can address. The ultimate outcome? Generating a wealth of potential solutions and innovative product ideas. Now let's move on to validation and prototyping. Remember, not every idea is a winner, and that's okay. The goal here is to validate your concept before committing significant resources to development. And the best way to do that? Prototyping. We're talking wireframes, mock-ups, and even basic interactive prototypes. These don't need to be perfect, just functional enough to test. The process is straightforward. Get your prototypes in front of your target users, gather their feedback, and then iterate and refine based on their insights. This is where you separate the good ideas from the great ones. The next step in the product development process is the development phase. This is where the engineers actually build the validated idea. As the PM, you're the conductor of the orchestra, ensuring everyone is playing the right notes at the right time. Your responsibilities include ensuring the development process runs smoothly, removing any roadblocks that pop up, and clarifying requirements for the engineering team. You also need to keep the team aligned on the overall product vision. Key skills here are communication and organization. Clear communication prevents misunderstandings, and strong organization keeps everything on track. Next up is launch. This is so much more than just releasing the product into the wild. It involves crafting compelling marketing campaigns to generate buzz and excitement. You'll also need to train the sales team so they can effectively sell the product. And don't forget about preparing the customer support team to handle any questions or issues that arise. The goal is to set the stage for widespread adoption and sustainable growth. A successful launch is a well-orchestrated event. Next is growth and optimization. Remember, a product is never truly done. This stage involves analyzing data, tracking key metrics, and gathering ongoing user feedback. Your objective is to identify areas for improvement and opportunities to enhance the product. This means iterating on existing features, experimenting with new ones, and continuously optimizing the user experience. The ultimate goals are to enhance user satisfaction and drive continued growth. It's all about constant improvement. Finally, we have sunset or retirement. It's a reality that all products or features eventually reach their end of life. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as changing market trends, evolving user needs, or simply because the product isn't performing as expected. As a PM, it's your responsibility to make the tough decision to sunset or retire a product when the time is right. While it can be difficult, sunsetting frees up valuable resources that can be allocated to new opportunities and more promising ventures. That's a high-level overview of the product development lifecycle. Remember, it's a cyclical process. The key takeaway is that continuous learning is essential for any product manager, as the landscape is always changing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more product management tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.